guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video, we have with us bunch of new news. I'm very excited and also curious, and also I'm very happy to tell you that iPhone SE2 is going to be making its way very soon and it's going to be debuting in 2020 approximately. But what Apple is taking, the steps Apple is taking for manufacturing the iPhone SE2 and on which or what basis do I am confirmed or all other media sources are confirmed that Apple is going to be launching the iPhone SE2. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing all of these topics, and overall in a nutshell I'm going to be giving you my personal opinion. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, on what basis do I am also telling you this news? Well, on Verge and Forbes website or any other website, if you search on Google for the iPhone SE2, just the number one factor you're going to be getting is that Apple now knows, Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, all of these companies have started to implement their beautiful technologies, hole punch, or you can say beautiful, gorgeous notches also, like small notches, giving punch hole displays for very minimum prices. But the main aim all of this company are opting for is to give the latest technology and make it accessible to all of the people with a proper budget or a proper price tag. So getting in India, you can get a hole punch smartphone nowadays for 15 to 20,000, which is incredible for this technology. And again, for Apple, like in India, its iPhone XS price is 90,000 Indian rupees, and just take into consideration you're getting just a full size notch. So that's again not at all appreciated, and Apple has got to this point and just made its way that if we need to be this in this market and we want to be ahead, they definitely need to go for a budget and iPhone. And I've covered like this most of the times, but this time Apple has taken lots of efforts. Well, Apple has ordered 4.7-inch display panels for their upcoming iPhone. So take into consideration, the 4.5-inch is the exact same size from iPhone 6 to iPhone 8, okay? Like iPhone 6, 6S, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8. All of these smartphones feature a 4.7-inch display. And again, if Apple is going to go for this, just take into, this is a very simple thing which I want to tell you, that just take example like iPhone 10, the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XR, or you can say Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, Note 10. All of this have like a beautiful punch hole display, slim bezels. Let there be a little thick notch in iPhones, but still you're getting a way bigger display. And still people nowadays also tell that iPhone's notch is too big. So just take into consideration if Apple will opt for the older technology like iPhone 6 and iPhone 8 technology with the thick bezels, will people buy the smartphone? And just take into consideration like there is iPhone XS Max and next to it put like an iPhone 8. That is going to be the scenario, and so everybody will just take into consideration that if I have to buy a new iPhone, what about investing a little more and getting the premium version? So just their budget end does not make any sense. Again, if Apple wants to opt for that, I would just tell that if Apple is going, they will definitely go for a bezel cutting display, just like the iPhone 10. Just take example, like it has a big bezel, but again, if Apple manages to put that same technology in a way cheaper smartphone, it definitely will be appreciated. Again, not just that, but there is one more thing, and that is the pricing. With the iPhone SE2, if it's going to be debuting its way in the upcoming, the WWDC, not this keynote, I'm talking about 2020 keynote or the Worldwide Development Conference that happens in March, or let it be any time. But I just want to tell that if Apple again will be successful in the iPhone SE2 manufacturing, but still the price plays a major role in it. So guys, if Apple wants to make an iPhone SE2, the perfect and the sweet spot for its pricing is approximately $400 to $500. Again, increasing the bar from $500 will not at all make a lot of sense for any people or any person going for a new iPhone. Or for that price, even like they can get like a used second-hand iPhone XS and XS Max, and that will make people's day up. So just if Apple is going, now Apple has ordered its new displays from their manufacturer, and those are also like a 4.7-inch displays with a way smaller sizing. So again, just take into consideration that if at all Apple is going to be working behind the iPhone SE2, it's going to be having slim bezels, Next point, its price is going to be below $500. And the last thing is its performance is going to be parallel to the standard range. It might be like the iPhone 10, or if Apple is going to go for that, they will put the Apple's A11 Bionic chip, not A12 or A13 Omega, but they will opt for the Bionic. Just like the iPhone, the iPad got the iPhone 7's processor. Just like that, Apple is going to be doing these things. And just hope so you liked today's video, because in today's video I talked about all of the things that can possibly be the future which we are going to be seeing. Again, we are not any other people, but we are just common people just telling you the information. And you will also find this on Google if you search for the iPhone SE2. So again, it has been confirmed that Apple is going to be making the iPhone SE2, not by its naming scheme or this or that. It might be called as the iPhone 10e or any other naming scheme, but the main and crucial purpose for that smartphone's existence is its low budget, and that's what exactly the iPhone SE is famous for. So hope you have liked today's video. In today's video I tried to cover all of these topics, and overall in a nutshell I would just tell that if Apple is going to be working on it and just taking into consideration what Apple's currently the decisions it's making, it definitely conveys the only factor that Apple is coming with the iPhone SE. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video and which we want to see next. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.